The fun all starts on March 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Our new release of our new pet tapes is coming soon. I have a VIP list in the description box. If you want to get on my list, you'll be able to shop a day early before everyone else. I had a little help from design team members and guest designers creating beautiful projects and inspiration for you. I'm super excited to share the launch of our brand new pet tapes, PET tapes. Come peel, stick, and create with me. We have 5 beautiful designs. I'm going to share those with you. I also want to tell you about our special I Want It All bundle. So when you buy all 5 designs, you'll get a special bundle price at 15% off. I'll have each roll listed individually, and I'll have the I Want It All bundle listed. So I'm going to be sharing the first one here, Sunshine and Petals, and we have a beautiful project from our design team for inspiration. Sunshine and Petals. So you get all these really pretty images with yellow and blue. So this is where the first loop starts. And we've got a lot of loops in here. Look how many images you get in this roll. So many. You get some sentiments, fresh start, hello sunshine. There's lots of butterflies in this one. For this card, I'm using the Cafe Latte paper pad that you can find at Not Too Shabby. I have gold cardstock here, so I'm going to add a sticker onto the gold. So we're just going to peel, stick, and create. And I am just going to stick that up towards the top. We're going to layer this. I'm going to pick out one of these girls. And I'm going to pick out this one here and put it on top. And I'm going to take this image here and layer it up over to the side, looking into the scene. So I'm going to add her right there. And then we're going to have a sentiment right here. Okay, I found this sentiment in my stash. I like the size of it to fit right in between here. All right, so you can see how those images can layer up. They have that clear outer edge. So super pretty. Here is our lemon gnome pet tape. Super cute. We got a couple of sentiments, easy peasy, to my sweet friend, lemon squeezy. So cute, guys. I think this one is sure to be a favorite. What will you make with your lemon gnomes? I used this one here on my card, and you'll see there's a kiss cut around the image, so you can just pull that apart for easy adhesion. So you don't have to worry about fussy cutting around your images. We've done all the work for you. There's a beautiful shine. There's a beautiful oil finish on here. It looks like an oil painting. You can feel the texture. I absolutely love this guy reading a book. This one on a hammock. This one with a honey pot jar. Absolutely adorable. Look at those gym shoes. For my gnome card, I used the stamp set Lemon Squeezy for a sentiment and this cute little lemon slice. You can find this in the shop. I'll have it linked down below, along with this Irresistible Delights paper pad. thought it was perfect with all these lemon inspired images and the beautiful yellows. Beautiful patterns. So here's a closer look at the card. I added my cute little sticker right over some grass that I created using a Copic marker. Since our pet tape is water resistant, I'll be sure to be adding some of these cute gnomes to some of my water bottles. This is Pink Easter Blossoms. I just love this one. It's so pretty. The bunnies, the florals, the chicks, and the colors are so gorgeous. This will pair up nicely with some of your gingham papers or your polka dot papers. I just love it. I created a card. I just wanted to stick down a bunch of stickers because I wanted to have fun just layering up the stickers. So I added a bunch of the stickers together, layered up at the bottom of this card. I did use the Easter sentiment, so it turned out really cute. I just trimmed it out with a die and cut off the edges and created a quick little card. So what will you make with your bunnies? I think decorating some cute little packaging, putting some Easter peeps in a clear bag, and then decorating the bag with your stickers would be super cute. I have a votive candle here, and remember, your stickers are not just for planners or cards or tags. You can also decorate household items with them. They'll easily stick to glass or plastic. You can easily remove it when you no longer want to have your item decorated. So how cute is that? Sweet Summer Cottage, beautiful watermelon themed. The images are so cute. Check out these beautiful cards that Megan did from the design team. I absolutely love them. That watermelon butterfly. That watermelon butterfly. Cute watermelon dress. Look at how cute is that. That dog. I love it. Blue Spring Awakening, so pretty with all the blue denim. That cute bunny rabbit. So cute. Look at those gym shoes. We've got some sentiments. Awaken, renew, blessings, spring. I love these blue jays. So you get a lot of those in here and some butterflies. So which one is your favorite? You don't even have to pick a favorite because I have an awesome bundle. If you purchase all 5, you get 15% off. It's an amazing deal. You'll see these listed individually, and then you'll see the I Want It All bundle listing where you can get all 5. So if you get on my VIP list, you'll be able to shop a day early. You will be getting an email on February 28th with your link to shop the pet tapes a day early before everyone else. And you'll get a few emails showing you some sneak peeks with cards and samples. That link will be in the description box for you. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at our brand new pet tapes available March 1st. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.